Yeah, we're playing Epic. And we're gonna be checking
Not
out the new crazy. No,
No,
not like the map.
There's
Once
so
in a
many.
blue moon.
Oh,
We beat Once in a Blue Moon, didn't we?
No, we beat it on the video. Or I think we beat it off camera.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. Yes! Nope. I'm alive. This is literally the only time that me and Rafi are together in a crazy.
Okay, good.
I'm getting up.
Come on.
I don't think I'm gonna.
They redrafted it.
I'm not gonna make it. No. Damn it.
Just me and someone else?
Yeah, it is just you. And this
They
other.
redrafted it.
Damn it, man. We could have. Wait. What if we start off the video? Oh, what? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, what time is it? Oh, 1:58. All right. Bro, oh my. Bro, what if you guys win? That would be epic to start the video off with that.
Go for the button, I know it. Go for the button. See? He wants me to die. Look. He's button trolling. We won't survive anyways.
Button trolling.
We would not survive anyways.
Oh, high details off. Alright, it's so much better. Sorry. For the RIP detail. Rip detail in the comments. Rip detail in the comments.
Rip detail.
Rip detail. Sorry, it just makes me lag. What? Where do I go? I didn't see where I was supposed to go. I'm boosting it. Because y'all ain't surviving.
And guess who's gonna finish that boost?
Xiaoling Bacon. How the? Bro, this dude's got bad internet, bro. This dude's got McDonald's Wi-Fi. How the hell is Henchman still alive? He's really sitting in the lava. Is he still?
Snowy pilot.
Nah, bro. Ignis.
Bro.
I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
Copyright, by the way.
What? Oh! Oh no. I forgot what I was doing. Yeah, but I'm just saying, I'm on top of the world. I mean, I'm not winning. I'm not winning.
What? Oh my god, I almost failed that jump.
I messed up so badly. And I still make the jump. I messed up so badly.
Wait, are you alive?
Yeah, I'm alive, but like, I'm not gonna win.
This is not a bad run. I think we can do this.
No, I'm not. I'm not winning. But I'm just staying up here. Wait. Damn it. Thought you can go on top of there. I'm on top of the world. Song made by your mom. Refu's gonna do it.
You're supposed to stay here.
I'm not gonna let that slide.
Boost it twice. Damn.
Oh, boost again. Oh, no.
I kind of messed up there. I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
No, I have faith.
I'll make it. I
Never
believe.
back down, never
believe.
give up. Don't forget that. Never back down, never give up.
Oh
Huh?
no, I might give up! I may not make it! Oh my god. How are you supposed to
No!
Oh!
The other ones. Bro, I should have just voted for Spider Dungeon so it looked weird. There's just one person wanted Spider Dungeon.
Only one person.
I should have voted for Spider Dungeon.
About like 60
I'm on
extra
top of
votes,
the world. I'm joking, I'm not.
60 extra votes, so like, they can't do anything about it.
I messed up.
I messed up and I died.
I'm on top of the world.